Go, yeah, go that way.
To the dirt?
Yeah, to the dirt.
Ooh, to the dirt.
Oh god, we're gonna do even more. We're gonna do some 11s now, god, just don't crash. Oh my god. Freaking crazy, dude. Just don't crash. I want an airbag taking out my camera. Oh god, dude, the back end is sliding like crazy. Oh my god.
I need a watch now.
Oh my god. Oh yes! The sunroof! Yes, the sunroof's falling apart even more. Woo. Oh, that was great.
Just get a new one of those.
Oh my god. Oh dude, we're getting the back end so out. Oh my god, yeah. Oh my god. You wanna let me have a run down this in your car?
Yeah.
I won't crash it, I swear.
Just like, oh, they're really slow.
Yeah, no, you're good. You're good. Oh my god. That was great. That's an embankment right there.
We can do a burnout.
Do a burnout on the dirt.
There's a car there. Let's go.
Oh. You're trying to do a burnout?
No.
God. So, God.
Jake's now driving.
I won't move your seat.
You can.
Thank you.
Yeah, just how do you do it? There's a, I don't want to reach. Yeah, just a lever to the left.
Okay.
Just don't.
As it's crashing up. Great.
Shit.
Dude, the steering on this is so floaty. Sauce hauling ass now.
Go like.
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, they were smiling.
They know what we're doing.
Did you feel the back end going down?
Yeah, it's like sliding. Nice.
Damn, your car is so good. Back end got out so much more. It's so
Careful up here where you can't step. That's so it's sliding out.
Dude, it slides out, man. Yeah, it's really bumpy. Oh, that was good. Dodge that. Jesus Christ. Oh my god, dude, look behind us.
Oh, there's so much smoke coming.
God, it's so much. Here. And try to burn out on the dirt. I don't think that's super possible. Oh shit. Oh shit. Holy.
It's not like burnout, it's the tire spin.
No, we good. Ready? Do it. Brake set. Yeah. Oh shit! Oh shit, dude, you did it! No wiper. Did you even touch that, or was that the rattle?
I think it was the rattle.
The rattle just brought the windshield wiper thing up. Oh my god, dude, you actually did a burnout on dirt in this car. All 114 horsepower. Oh shit. That was good. Dude, that was
wrecked, but that was awesome.
that was pretty cool. I got footage of like all the tires. Oh my god, we're just going everywhere.
I know. That was great.
Dude, that was amazing. Oh my god.
Oh gosh, it's coming
Dude.
out.
Oh shit. Camera down, so there's the truck. So we're just ripping it up and down, which. Oh shit. Oh my god. That was pretty sideways. Oh shit. Oh, good brakes. Good brakes. Good brakes right there.
Okay, so where are we going now?
Back to the shopping center, which I mean you can go this way, but the easier way would be to go back there.
Yeah? One more time, you think?
One more time, yep.
He's like...
Ooh, dude. Good save. Oh, shit.
Oh, it's no.
Oh, shit.
That back end does. That truck's still down.
Oh, boy. Is he still moving?
Yeah.
He's going really slow. He has a truck and he's going slow. We're in a freaking 97 Mazda 626.
Did you hear that?
Yeah. Should go away when we're on that. There's that car coming up there. Holy shit. This is some good shit, man. Killed it, man.
He's going fast.
He's got a Jeep. It's a Jeep thing! Dude.
Does not sound good.
Alright, well. Let's just see how it drives again on a normal road. Oh, you just hit that road.
No, I went over it.
Oh, okay.
I mean, like...
Let's see how it feels back on the regular road, because we were going pretty hard in this.
Yeah, we were.
We were not taking any mercy. Oh, sweet, dude, some new hubcaps over there. Ooh. For sale.
For free.
Yeah, for sale for free. Dude, we tore this car. Oh wait, no, is that still the Jeep? No, that's a different car. All ass on us too.
He's going fast. Is that the Jeep?
Dude, I think, yeah, it
It is the
is.
Jeep,
Dude,
dude.
he hauled ass back. That's weird.
Oh, I think he's taking his son through it. You see he's got like a son. Where are they?
As long as we know it's not a cop, I get it. Yeah.
Or you're not.
It's a Jeep thing. Alright, let's see how it drives. Is it like normal?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait.